Hello, Grace. Please come in.
Hi, Vivian. Thank you for spending time with me. I made you some cookies. I hope you like it.
Wow, delicious. Thank you so much. Oh, one of my clients gave me a bottle of Asian tea yesterday as a gift. We can try it with your cookies.
Yay! It would be a great combination.
Let me open the windows for some fresh air. You know what, Grace? I was just thinking about you last night, and then you called me. I'm so glad that you want to talk.
Yes, I feel terrible and I have nobody to talk to. I don't want to make mom worry about me. And I don't want to share details of my personal life with my friends. I guess I am just so jealous of them.
Why, Grace?
You see, most of my friends have got a perfect life. They have a house, a beautiful car, a caring husband, and smart children. How about me? I am just miserable.
What makes you think you messed up your life?
I recently got divorced. My marriage was ending. I am regretting it.
Oh my, really? I did not know about that. I am so sorry to hear that, Grace. But don't you worry, everything will be okay.
I hope so, Vivian.
But why did you decide to break up with Tim? I thought you loved him a lot.
I do, indeed. But he does not feel the same way about me. In other words, he doesn't love me anymore. I should have listened to my mom. Why didn't I see his real personality?
What did your mom say?
When my mom found out that I was in love with Tim, she objected strongly to me. She told me that Tim was not a good person for me. I deserve a better one. But I was so lonely at that time, so I chose to not listen to her.
How was he not good for you?
At first, Tim was really sweet to me. He cares about me. He took me out every weekend. We traveled through many places. After that, I was pregnant. And we decided to get married. Since then, he started to change.
Nobody can change that fast, Grace. He just returned to his own human nature.
Yes. Later on, I found out that he was in love with many different women. Some of them were even younger than me. You know, after giving birth to a young baby, I was no longer a pretty girl. The baby cried every night. I could not sleep well. I am also getting overweight. Tim ignored me and my baby. He said he was busy at work, but I know he lied.
What a nightmare. Did you talk to him about that?
Yes, many times. I begged him to love me and the baby again, but he said he was no longer in love with me. He wanted a new adventure. He left me behind with the baby.
Oh no. Where is the baby right now?
That is the point. I think I almost lost my baby.
Why?
The court rented parental responsibility to Tim because I do not have a job now. So they said it would be impossible for me to take care of the kid.
So, did they say what you should do to get a kid back?
Yes, they said I must find a stable job in the next 2 months. I'm looking for a job right now. Some places have contacted me for the interview, But mostly they don't want a single mom.
I think I can help you with that. I know a few companies that recruit for some positions. I can talk to them.
Oh really? Thank you so much, Vivian.
It's okay. I'm not only your therapist, but also your friend. You can count on me.
One more thing that I regret is that I quit my passion to be a housewife. Before getting married, I used to be a manager for an international company. I used to have a marvelous life, but then I gave up on it to chase an unrealistic happiness.
Don't be sad, Grace. There are still many choices out there. This is just a lesson that life teaches you. Although is it hard to get over, then you will find yourself happy again.
I don't know if I can be happy again.
Of course you can. Happiness is seen in many different ways. It doesn't have to be with a partner to be happy. Now you have your son, that could be your true happiness.
Yes, you are right. My son is the best gift that I have ever had. He's my inspiration.
Yep. Let him inspire you to do great things and stop regretting it. Stop looking back. Everything happens for a reason. Staying miserable doesn't help at all.
I don't know what to do, Vivian.
You know what, Grace? Your words will impact on your thoughts, and your thoughts will lead you to the action. When you say you are sad, a little voice in your head will trick you into believing that you will be never happy again. So, you will act like a poor person, and now your life is stuck.
So, what should I say?
No matter what happened, just say to yourself, it's okay. I might be sad or hurt a little bit, but it does not last long. I will be a great woman. Nothing can knock me down. I'm tough. I am welcoming all the good things and the bad things.
Okay.
Let's practice. Close your eyes, Grace. Take a deep breath in. Okay, now repeat after me. Everything will be okay.
Everything will be okay.
I might be sad or hurt a little bit.
I might be sad or hurt a little bit.
But it does not last long.
But it does not last long.
Nothing can knock me down. I'm a tough and great woman.
Nothing can knock me down. I'm a tough and great woman.
Okay, how do you feel now?
I feel much better. It is so strange.
Yeah. Keep in mind that sometimes your decision turns out awful, but don't regret it. You did a good job at that time. You are growing up, girl.
Yes, I will remember that. I cannot change the past, but I can change the future by doing something different in the present.
I love your spirit. That's my girl.
Vivian, you are my best friend ever. I don't know how to thank you.
You can thank me by enjoying your life as much as possible.
Yes, I will.
About your job, you don't have to worry about that. I can help. I also know some famous lawyers. Maybe they can give you a hand to have your son back beside you.
Great. Now I have to pick up my son from school. See you later.
Goodbye, Grace. See you later.